Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to secure your crypto using Blum. Firstly, download and install the Blum app on your device and enable two-factor authentication for extra layer of security. Blum provides a unique video code every day. Watch the daily video which will give you important crypto security tips and a code. Just enter the code on the Blum platform to earn rewards like Blum coins. These daily videos often cover security practices such as using cold wallets, securing your private keys, and deleting or detecting phishing scams. Use a hardware wallet or cold wallet for storing the majority of your crypto assets. These are online, making them less vulnerable to hack. Always engage with Blum's educational content such as their daily video codes to learn more about securing your crypto and staying safe in the crypto world. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.